Want to keep your kids connected, safer, and more active, all from a smartwatch built just for them? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Garmin Bounce 2, a fun and durable kids smartwatch packed with GPS tracking, two-way texting, activity monitoring, and parent-controlled safety features. With a tougher build, smoother performance, and better battery life, it's Garmin's smartest and safest kids watch yet. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Garmin Bounce 2 Kids Smartwatch. Charging cable and documentation pamphlets. Technical specifications. It has a 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen with 390 by 390 resolution, a durable fiber-reinforced polymer case, and a silicone strap fitting 115 to 180 millimeters. Measuring 43 by 43 by 12.4 millimeters and weighing 26.5 grams, it's lightweight and water-resistant to 5 ATM, with 4 GB storage, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC, and LTE support. Kids can make calls, send texts, and listen to music directly from the watch. It features GPS with multi-GNSS support, two-way communication, and voice messaging with transcription. Fitness and sports tracking covers steps, distance, sleep, and activity profiles. Safety features include real-time location, geofencing, emergency alerts, and check-ins. Kids also get customizable watch faces, games, quizzes, chores, and rewards, and school mode. With up to 2 days of battery and Android and iOS compatibility, it's a complete smartwatch for safety, fitness, and fun. Product features. The Garmin Bounce 2 is built with a fiber-reinforced polymer case and a soft, durable silicone strap, making it lightweight yet strong enough for everyday play. It's water-resistant up to 5 ATM, so kids can wear it while swimming, playing sports, or during outdoor adventures without worry. Equipped with LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC, the watch allows kids to make calls, send texts, and voice messages safely to approved contacts. Parents can manage all communication and set permissions easily through the companion app, keeping kids connected while maintaining control. The Bounce 2 tracks steps, distance, and sleep, while supporting multiple sports and active play modes, including running, cycling, swimming, walking, and team activities. Kids can also enjoy customizable watch faces, interactive games, quizzes, and music playback, combining fun, learning, and fitness in one device. Safety is a priority with real-time GPS tracking, geofencing alerts, an emergency assistance button, check-ins, and school mode to minimize distractions. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 2 days, and the watch is fully compatible with Android 9 Plus and iOS 16 Plus, with LTE features requiring a subscription plan. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. This watch features a touchscreen for easy navigation, allowing you to swipe, tap, and scroll through apps and notifications. It also has 2 side buttons: the Start button, used to turn on the watch, access apps, and open the controls menu, and the Back button, which returns to the previous screen or can be held for a custom shortcut. How to pair. Start by downloading and installing the Garmin Junior app on your phone. It's the app you'll use to manage the watch and all its features. Once that's ready, turn on the watch by holding the Start button and wait for it to load up. Open the Garmin Junior app and head into the menu. Then tap Add Device and select Garmin Bounce 2 from the list. A 6-digit code will pop up on the watch. Just enter that code into the app to confirm the connection. After that, the app will guide you through setting everything up, including Wi-Fi, contacts, messaging, and safety features. Keep the watch close to your phone during this first setup, so everything syncs smoothly. Once connected, the watch and phone will sync, allowing you to configure additional preferences such as wrist orientation and notifications. If pairing fails, restart both devices, remove any previous pairings, keep the devices close together, and make sure both the app and watch firmware are up to date. How to charge? Connect the USB end of the charging cable to a power source and attach the charging clip to the watch's back, aligning the contacts. The watch will display a charging icon when charging begins. For best battery health, charge when low and avoid leaving it plugged in at 100% for long periods. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open Settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Make sure the watch is powered off. Press and hold the start button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the watch vibrates or the logo appears. This forces a restart but does not erase data unless a factory reset is selected in settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Garmin Junior app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. Both watches are designed for kids with durable, lightweight materials. The Bounce 2 uses a fiber-reinforced polymer case with strengthened glass and a soft silicone strap, while the Fitbit Ace LTE combines plastic, glass, and recycled materials with a lightweight, interchangeable strap. Display and sizes. The Bounce 2 has a 1.2-inch round AMOLED display, offering sharp and clear visuals. The Ace LTE features a color OLED screen with Gorilla Glass protection, giving it durability and modern aesthetics for active kids. Battery and storage. Bounce 2 provides up to 2 days of battery life and 4 GB of storage for music, apps, and media. Fitbit Ace LTE offers around a day of battery life, with faster charging and larger storage for media or games. Talking about other features. Bounce 2 focuses on safe communication, GPS tracking, and parental controls, while the Ace LTE is a more feature-rich smartwatch with GPS, LTE, Wi-Fi, heart rate monitoring, and additional sensors for activity tracking and fun engagement. Pros and cons. The Garmin Bounce 2 provides significant parental peace of mind via reliable GPS tracking and highly controlled communication within a durable, swim-friendly design that promotes an active lifestyle. Key pros include robust safety features and the absence of social media risks. The primary cons are the essential ongoing LTE subscription cost, required for core functionality, a relatively short battery life, up to 2 days, and the lack of advanced health metrics, like a heart rate sensor. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.